part of a new model launch, you have to put your heart and soul into making sure that's launched correctly.
We wanted to deliver something different, something with character and something with personality. When we started working on the Juke, with the fact that we're offering two-tone for the first time, the possible combinations were huge. The colour choices that we've made, we believe to be the best fitting combinations. The most exciting time is to see the product built up at the factory up in Sunderland. It creates an emotion when you see the Juke. It's really quite special.
I've actually worked on Juke since its initial launch. I was part of the core team. I've always felt close to the Juke and a sense of ownership. To launch two-tone for Juke, we needed a brand new process. The car's actually masked by hand to make sure that we get a good clean line between the roof and the body, and then that goes into our new top coat process to have a roof painted. There's a lot of hard work and a lot of energy that goes into making a good quality car. For me, the colour's what gives life to the vehicle. It's what really makes it jump out. The two-tone and the additional colours that we've added really help bring out that character of the car.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.